Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to show you my simple recipe of asparagus or asparagi in Italia. As you can see, I'm cutting into small pieces so that it will cook easily. It's done! I'm using olive oil here, but it's okay if you use the other cooking oil in your kitchen. Add a little bit of olive oil. Pepper. Then I put some salt. Ground garlic, now I put the pointed part of the asparagus and cook for at least 3 minutes, and then it's done. Thank you guys for watching my simple recipe. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit all the bell to get you notified every time I have new video. See you again. Grazie mille. And I have a saying, biggest came from smallest. Ciao!